It's make some ornament time. There's some of the cutout pieces ready to go. Shelves with stuff on them. There's the rolling mill area. I'm right in the middle of doing some skulls in 22 gauge aluminum. Here's the plate. Let's see if that's in the camera view, I don't know. Aluminum. Underlayment foam. Cardboard. Thin cardboard. And the tried and trusty Frankenmill. With a nice long handle. In case it gets stuck, I can force it through with the help of this. I'm working right at the edge of what this gear motor is capable of. Try to get these to fill out with nice detail. Here it's working hard. Back over here. Yeah. Get out of the way. You can see these come out pretty warped from the rolling mill. But I could make them flat, but I don't like to have to use an extra flat plate to sandwich this aluminum piece in between. Rolling mill doesn't seem to like that very much. So flatten them out a little bit in the press, and that makes them easier to put in the pancake die for trimming. So there you have it.